With a large 1 kilogram frying capacity, this Tefal health fryer lets you whip up dishes to feed the whole family. You can cook with less oil with only a teaspoon required. You can create all of your favourite meals. Enjoy guilt-free fried foods that are just as tasty. Dual motion technology uses a combination of hot air and gentle stirring to cook your food with little to no oil, so you can enjoy a healthier alternative that tastes just as delicious. It's easy to clean with a non-stick coating and dishwasher-safe parts, saving time and effort washing up after dinner by keeping hassle to a minimum. Make dinner time easier and more convenient with this health fryer from Tefal.